Hello guys, before starting my video, I just want you all to like my video and also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon because I do upload videos on a regular basis. Welcome to the CATIA tutorial series. There are many videos on CATIA, you can find it on YouTube. It's all cliche. I don't want to do the repeated things to waste my energy on pointless means. Hello, I am Rushabh giving you a 5-star rated tutorial video to demonstrate some of the important settings for users feasibility for better outcome. So better get excited because it's important and it's useful. So let's get started. First we will start with the tools, then option. This shows the option window. There are many options: general, display, compatibility, parameters, measures and sketches. All these things are there. This is sub menu are also there. Here what we will see is how to do setting for the interface, display setting, what should be the color of the display, sketcher setting, how should be the line drawn, their width, color, and what should be the unit in drawing for each parameter. We need to see the graphic setting, hardware attached, plane alignation setting, and we need to see whether we want a grid for the sketcher. There are many more such settings. We will see it gradually as we move ahead. First we'll start with the general. We can select here P1, P2, P3. If you have done modification P1, you can select P2 and do the further work. Okay, so we don't want to do any kind of modification this time, so I'll get back to the default one, P1. Shareable product. This will show all the licenses that are required for CATIA. If CATIA is not working, it will show the problem there. Licensing, don't worry about it. Documents. Documents shows folders, catalogs which are set defaults. Printers. It shows the printer which is connected to it. Sadly, I don't have any printer right now. Server manager. Here we can limit to only one person because we are going to use it for the one person itself. So I will select the limit to one person only. Statistics. We have come to statistics. Okay, buffer size. Workbench is activated. This is called the workbench. Again, comments and statistics, these are all activated. Okay, sessions and statistics, all these are active. Now we have come to display. Classic window display. Here there is tree appearance, classic window style. I will display it on the screen. These are called as the classic windows. The descriptions such as part body, plane, geometric, plane, etc. These are called as a classic window. Now the next is visualization. Graduate color background. If I select this, it will show a different color in background. If we deselect this, it will show the same color throughout. Now I will show it by clicking it. What is graduated color background? Yes, here you can see graduated color background, difference in the color. Okay, I will show again. Yes, this one. Okay, now I will try to deselect it and we'll see what will happen in the background color. Okay, so deselect and again I will do. Now this is constant color throughout the background. We can also change the color. We can change the color. We can take the black color, as now you can see. Yes, there is a black color in there. So again we can see, I will do it graduated and let's see there is a different color in the background. Now again what I will do, I will come back to the same as what we had before. Blue, Okay, so one more thing.
We can also change the color to
white, so you can see it now. See, this is how we can select any color. Okay, so we have seen a lot of changes in the color, so I have to get back to the same one, just like before what we had. Okay, so blue, it's everything was blue. Yes. Okay, so leave about this background thing. We'll move back to the uh, color which we need to give for the sketchers. Now, selected element. Suppose we draw something, it will be shown color we have selected. Okay, so it will be like if we'll select black, then it will be black in select for the selected elements. We can also use a orange, which is a default one. So we'll keep that. Selecting edges. Edges will be seen in different than the others. Surface boundary. We can change the size of the line anyhow what we want. There are so many options. These are so many things that you know already. Low intensity element. Okay, so we'll get through it later as we make another video. This is the handles. If we can change the color, then you can see it very clearly. Okay, I will keep it as a default. So these we'll see later. Surface boundaries. We can click it here and we can change the thickness of the line. Okay, so now is the layer filter. Next we have come to thickness and font. We can select any thickness of font. We can use CATIA based font which is shown in here. I will select the use system true type fonts in CATIA and I will keep it as my default setting. Line type. These are the different types of the line that we can select for our project to be done. Compatibility. Saving as V4 data. We can save model unit in millimeter or centimeter. Associativity. Just let it be deselected. Okay. We can make file name in capital letters. We can keep as it is as a default. I should keep it or I should do uncheck. Okay, why should we need cap? So let it be. V4 V5 draw. Center is required for drawing. Let it be, we required it. Very difficult to track the center of it, so we need it anyway. Convert the dimension into graphic. It is required because when we make a dimension, it should be seen. Use step-by-step update and reroute. We can select or deselect this. Core in a negative V5 mode we need. Now we can save this. So we have done too much. Okay, we will see the step-by-step process to parameter settings. First, which will come is very much important. This is units. Now this is important. In this unit section we can see many parameters. The first one is the length. It is the very important one. We can change the unit in millimeter, meter, inches as per the drawing input. We can change the dimension into meters if you want, or you can change it into the inches, whatever the drawing requirement is there, but we prefer to keep it in millimeter itself, so I'll keep. We can change the angle into degree, radian, etc. Other than the degrees, we have other important units such as radians, and also if you will go down you can see the milliradian. The time, there are many units, seconds, milliseconds, etc. Okay, leave it. After time, what we can see here is mass. So mass, kilogram, gram. Gram is very small value, so we'll select kilogram itself. Okay, volume. So volume has liter, cubic millimeter, cubic centimeter, meter square. You can select liter, it will show liter. Most of the time they will be asking for the volume to be in liters, but I'll keep meter cube. Okay, this is okay. Similarly, there are so many units that we can see. Density, kg per meter cube, we have to select that only. Now there are inertia, energy, power, force, movement, pressure, temperature, power. These are the units which can be selected according to the drawing need. Okay, anything we can change however you want. Though here other, if you want to see, then I can show you like pressure, pascals, or you can change it to Newton per meter square, or it's just based on the drawing which you need to be kept as. Temperature, Kelvin, Celsius, Fahrenheit, all these are there. There are many more other like electric power, watt, and voltage, watts, volts, sorry, and here all these are there. Now symbols. So resolved constants, colors, unresolved constants. We can change any of these colors as however we want. Over constant, invalid geometry. We know all this already, so we cannot go deep into it. So next we'll go to my machine design, assembly design, automatic update. You need not to tell software to update manually, it will update automatically, but sometimes we have to deselect it, because if we are doing something as a part of a prototype, we are tend to make many mistakes. So if we'll keep it into manual update, then we can update it however we want without getting into any troubles later. Constraints, these can impose constraints. Okay, keep as it is. Sketchers, how you want to see a sketcher window, which is very much important, because while drawing any 3D work, we first have to go to the 2D drawing. So this windows setting is very much important. So you want a grid in your sketcher window, you can select this, or let it keep it as a deselected. Snap point you want, you can select. Rest we will keep everything as it is as a default.